situation. Got a little couch. And then I don't really know. Right, so that's the closet. And then room. Hey, Dad.
Okay.
TV. Desk. And then this is the bathroom. Little one sink. Mirror. And there's the shower. Stand-up shower, standard toilet. The unfortunate thing is I had requested a Hogwarts view. Unfortunately, we did not get a Hogwarts view, but it's still a decent view. There's Volcano Bay, Cabana Bay. And I'm assuming the parks are over there somewhere. I'm not really sure. And then there's the rest of Orlando over there. And so you can see the Ferris wheel thing over there. Sky wheel? I don't know what they call it. But yeah. So that's our room. See you later.